Honorable Speaker, sir, I also rise here to join our Deputy Chief Minister, our LO, and the other member of this August House to pay a tribute and homage to our leaders from different states who passed away recently, and in their own capacity, they have contributed to the welfare of the society and the nation as a whole. I offer my condolence message to the living family members and a prayer to the departed soul that God may grant them an eternal peace. I would like to send a condolence message especially to the living family members of the leader from our state, our tall leader, ex-Chief Minister, Sri S.C. Marang. May God grant the departed soul an eternal peace and blessing to the family members. And sir, more importantly, I pay an honor and tribute to my constituency leader, Mauser, who passed away on the 16th of May in 2024. As a leader, he had made a significant contribution to the welfare and growth of the people of our constituency and to the state as a whole. He was our first elected MDC of Mountain Good constituency in 1967 when Meghalaya was still under Assam. And he was also part of the Hill State volunteer movement. And yes, sir, he became the first MLA of our constituency in 1972 after Meghalaya received its statehood. Ma, your excellent effort and contribution will always be remembered in our hearts and in our mind. May God grant you an eternal peace, and may He bless the living family members, especially the wife and children and the loved one. With these few words, I shall resume my seat.